Hey guys, I have the need. I feel the need for distraction. Comment in the script. Comment down below if you had the same feeling for distraction. Tell me you liked the last video. And also tell me you like this video in the comments below. I'd like it if you guys comment more often. Otherwise it just kind of feels awkward. Considering you guys don't watch some of my videos. Seriously, some of my videos have 0 views. Yep. Let's continue this. Woohoo! Let's play this. No mercy to these motherfuckers. Beep beep. I said beep beep. I said beep beep. You idiots, you won't listen. Hello? Driving here. I said I was driving here. What the hell is wrong with you guys? I'm trying to drive here. Man, you guys don't understand this. Seriously, these people don't know how to drive, right? Oh, never mind. Yet I was the one who was talking. As I just ran into someone and go flying. As I ran into a taxi and go flying. Yeah, he somehow landed on his wheels. That's performance. Damn it, I was hoping that would go flying sky high. So if you want to see a Minecraft video or any videos with my little sister and me in it, just comment down below and I will happily make one. Or at least make a game where we're both in it. Cause seriously, I have to really get her like it takes a lot of convincing. I gotta convince her a lot to do stuff like that. So yeah, I was aiming for like 10 views on this video. Now that's a bit too much. 5 views and 2 likes. No, 5 likes. That seems good. No, at 10 likes. Wait, how does that even make sense? 10 views and 5 likes. Yeah, that sounds like a good one to go for. Oh my goodness, my car is completely just like, look at it, it's like derpy as hell now. Or derpy as heck, I don't even know what to say now. I still haven't hit nitrous yet. Mostly because nitrous does nothing by now. Yep, the music's playing in. Yeah, let's get into this. Get wrecked. Bob has been destroyed. Blake has been destroyed. How did I miss that? Seriously. Seriously, my drum skills in this game are not that good at some points. Emma has been destroyed. I somehow drove straight under her, and then her remains went flying somewhere else, as I just flipped upside down. I legitimately stuck. Oh, thank God. Thank you, green truck. I'll kill you last. If my aiming skills are good. I know I hit at least 2 cars right there, despite accidentally. Thank God, finally. Wait, did someone die when I wasn't looking? I don't know. How did I not crash? I think I did. That explains why my top right tire is now black. I kind of explained this game. I kind of did explain this game to you last time, guys. And we are scheduling my medicine pretty much at different timings. So yeah, I may so I can actually get some sleep and have to go to school at some points. I mean, my grades are fine. It's just that I missed too many days of school. Yeah, or like the last time I missed a day of school is because I slept in too much. Like legitimately, I wake up at like 8, which is middle school time to pretty much. You gotta be at school and you gotta be at middle school at like 8:25, and I woke up at like 8 something, pretty much. And I didn't get much sleep. I only got like 1 hour, 1 or 2, like probably an hour and a half of sleep that night. Legitimately, I stayed up that much. Wait, I believe that was the night when I recorded the last video of this. But never mind that. So yeah, I didn't wake him up back up at like 12 or 1. No, I believe like 12:30. Yeah, a disaster. And seriously, I'm doing great in grades, but I'm missing too much day of school. Yet, even though I can catch up on work as fast as possible. Oh, I accidentally killed Drake. I accidentally lied to him. I said I would kill him last, and I accidentally killed him, so yeah, he got stuck in third. I feel bad for the guy now. Huh. Not bad. What if I can buy anything? That's good. It's got a massive spoiler. I'm taking it. Look at customizing, guys. I like that look. You know what else gets like a bit frustrated when they just do those Christmas ads way too early? Like seriously, they do it way too early. You guys ever want me to like change my any of my vehicles like colors? I'll do it happily. Damn, now that is epic looking. Yeah, I prefer the stripe on this one. Dang, I can't afford any of those engine things. Yes, I pretty much put that name right there, Java Slayer, on every single thing ever. Yup. Now this looks OP. There's my truck. Let's start back from the beginning. Let's go back to the past. Let's show you all my cars. The classic. The tiny classic. OP as heck. The compact retro. I've randomly bought it. Just for the heck of it. The casino retro. Kit retro. Then there's a kid skipping between cars. One up where we were at. The Howler. This is actually what I was going for instead of the Howler, but I was slightly off with money. Then we got ourselves this thing classic. Then as we passed the school bus and all that, we got ourselves the Drakester Sport. Which I believe is the last car pretty much of all those. Pretty sure it's the last one. I really want that semi truck and make it look like Optimus Prime. That's my goal. So yeah. In the comments down below, tell me which one of those cars I just mentioned to you. Or tell me a car I should get in this game, or whether I should edit my car that I already have and make it look better. I'll let you guys decide on that. Now, so we leave the game. He entered the other door. Hell. Um. And these are the games I got. I deleted Real Steel Champions so I could download lots of these, including Raft, Mortal Kombat X, that, Robot Fighting 2, Minibot Battle 3D, Monster Legends. I deleted all my information from the last time I played it, and I was OP boss. Then got South Park Phone Destroyer. It's a really fun app. And I'm addicted to FNAF stuff by now, so yeah, I got that as well. Princess on Shield, Walking Dead, Marvel Champions, Minecraft Pocket Edition, Minecraft mods, Minecraft minigame maps, Minecraft maps, Pocket Morty's block launcher, which at some points may work, at other points it won't. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I just mentioned every game that I got on this device to you guys. Plus those two. Yep. I used to have Transformers to fight, but it took too much MB and I didn't play that often. So I just took like a screenshot of like its new update screen. And I just went to photo editor and edited it and made it look like this with Magnet Pen. So peace you. Have a nice day.